guys, so this is the one finger method, how to play this tune. And you don't have to do it this way. You could do, I'll show you just a couple little tricks here. So we're just doing some sort of like inverted power chords, very simple power chords. So we're playing mostly on the D string and the G. And you're gonna pluck both of those at the same time. And the way we're doing this is you just use your index finger and you bar across the 4th fret of the D and the G. Now if you're gonna play all the chords like that, if you notice, if you kind of slide that around, that's just a real easy way to play that power chord. Now, if that hurts or that's too weird, what you could do is maybe try this. Take your middle finger, set it on the 4th fret of the D, and then ring finger on the 4th fret of the G. All right, so you could just do it like that instead. Just use middle finger, ring finger. But for the sake of the lesson, I'll just use index finger for the one finger method. All right, so to start the riff out, we're starting on that 4th fret of the D and the G, and you're going to strum 5 times. And then you want to kind of think about this in counts of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just kind of think that in your head. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to go down to 3rd fret, and then down to 2nd fret. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right. Now the next piece, that's really easy. You just stay on the 2nd fret for 2 sets of 7. Then you're going to go down to 1st fret. Then you're going to go open. But for this part, you're going to do 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then index finger is going to come up here to bar across the 4th fret of the A and the D. And that gives you that one more little walk down chord. And you're going to do 4 strums there. So you're going from open to 4th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So all that together. So that's like the main piece of the song, I would say. Now remember, you can do it with that middle finger, ring finger if you want. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just play through that one more time up to speed, and then I'm going to continue on into the next section, which is the chorus. So those are the main sections to the song, but just to go through this this chorus piece. So after you play through that intro initial verse section we talked about, you'll play through that twice, I believe, and then it'll go into the chorus. So kind of as it's coming out of that section, we're going to go down to this chord. So that's just an E power chord. You're going to set your index finger across the second fret of the A and the D. Remember, you can do it like that if you want. All right. So you're going to strum 2 sets of 8. All right. Now we're going to go to the starting chord. That was the 4th fret of the D and the G. And this is actually where you have to kind of count a little bit. So you're going to do 8 strums. Then you're going to do 5 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to slide down to 3rd fret and do the 6th, the 7th, and the 8th strum. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then to 2nd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is just kind of a roundabout of a bunch of 8 counts. So again, we're starting on that we just came out of the verse, and we're going to that 2nd fret of the A and the D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To 4th fret of the D and the G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, so that's how you end that riff on that 4th fret of the D and the G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right, so once again, the whole chorus. All right, so that's the main pieces of the puzzle for this song. You should be able to just listen, and I think it just sort of decreases in speed at the end of the song, but it's using all the same chords and everything. So go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep making these videos for you all, and I'll see you.